Find the following. Now, with the first example here, we've got the same denominator. So it's very straightforward. We're going to keep that denominator. Remember, you don't do anything like add the denominators. The denominator is 9, and we stick with that denominator. I'm just mentioning that because it's a common fault that I see students do. What we do is add the numerators. So we do 2 plus 5 is 7. Perhaps a way of thinking about this is, let's suppose I've got 2 blue dots and I've got 5 blue dots and I put them together. What have I got? I've got 7 blue dots. And that's just the same thing. Think about a fraction or a ninth being a blue dot. I've got 2 of them and then I've got 5 more of them, so I've got 7 of them. The next one is equally straightforward, but we're subtracting. So we're going to stick with sevenths and we're going to do 5 minus 2. So we're going to have 3 sevenths. Now for the first time, we've got different denominators. Now in the case of 4 and 5, the lowest common multiple is just 4 times 5, which is 20. So that's a really good denominator to use. So what I'm going to do is put both of those fractions over 20. So I need an equivalent fraction. Well, what have we done to the 4 here? To get 20, you've multiplied it by 5. So I need to do the same to the numerator. So that's going to be 5 over 20. With the fifths, I've multiplied the denominator by 4 to get 20, so I need to do the same to the top. So that one is going to be 16. Keep the same denominator, add the numerators, so it's 21 over 20, which is 1 and 1/20th if we need to change it back to a mixed number, change it to a mixed number. So depending on the situation, either of these might be accepted as a full answer. Now, we've got a denominator of 7 and one of 3. And in this case, the lowest common multiple is got by just multiplying those together. And so it's 21. So we're going to put those both over 21. Don't forget the minus sign between. What have we done here? This one was multiplied by 3, so do the same to the top. So that is going to be 15 over 21. This one was multiplied by 7, do the same to the top. So this one's going to be 7 over 21, which is 8 over 21. Now the final example here, 3 plus a third, is very straightforward. 3 plus a third just simply means 3 and 1/3.